Hey guys, it's Ann over at Plant Obsessed, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how I make a fruit fly trap. So I'm gonna first take this bottle and I am going to cut it right here where the shoulder is, and let's see if I can do that with no hands. If I can drive with no hands, I can totally do this, right? No. Maybe not. No, it's not actually looking like it, no. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to safely and carefully, and yes, I could have done this with a pair of scissors. It's true. I could have. But I'm super careful about this. So, safety is my middle name. No, I'm lying. It's danger. So, you see what I did there, right? Just took the funnel part here and put it on top of the not funnel type here. And then I'm just going to fill it with some juice or wine. Leftover wine works probably the best. Everybody says vinegar, but quite honestly, for as often as I end up with flies in my glass of wine, I'm just going to take that as Providence and use leftover wine. And then they will fly in there and get drunk on wine and drowned. And that's how I do them in. It's actually been working very, very well. I started to get a gnat problem a little while ago, and I fixed up one of these for the basement where most of the worms are, and Bob's your uncle. They're down in the bottom and not flying around and aggravating me. So, super easy, upcycling gnat getter, because they cannot fly up and down like a helicopter. They have to fly at an angle, and that is why they can't come back out of the hole. Alright guys, that's all I got for this evening. Thank you for hanging out and listening to me yammer, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.